I can give 100% guarantee that your account will be profitable after using this indicator, which I have brought for you today. And you will not find this indicator anywhere in the whole Google, which I'm going to share with you today. Let's start the video without wasting any time. The chart you see on the screen right now is actually an indicator of this setup. In the indicator, you have to pay the most attention to their levels at 70, and 30 or 50. As you can see now, the market has created a negative candle by touching the 50 level. And there are many ways to use this indicator. I will talk about all methods in this video, the first of which is this method. And after that, you can see the main chart where the market is being traded under the 100 moving average. This means the market is on a downtrend. The indicator has created a negative candle by touching the 50 level. And the market is in a downtrend. It is a good time to execute your sell trade with a small stop loss. And we'll set this stop loss at level 50. So we've got great profits on this trade. And the reason for booking profit you can see indicator below, where the candle has crossed the 30 level and gone down, and has just created a positive candle there. If you don't understand, well, but it doesn't matter. I will do more trades for you. So now you look at the main chart where the candle has moved above the cross of the 100 level. And after that, you look at the indicator below where the candle has already gone up by crossing the 50 level. The market is trading above the 100 moving average, and here the indicator is above the 50 level. So in such a situation, we will execute our trade and we will make our profit when the market crosses the 50 level and comes down. And we'll set our stop loss a little below the current candle. So here we will book our profit, and we have get huge profit in here. You can see the candle which is given closing below 50 level. So here you can see, a positive candle has been created in the market by touching the 100 moving average. And with this, you can see the indicator below which has created a positive candle by touching the 30 level. In this situation also we will absolutely execute our trade with a very small stop loss. We have made profit almost 8 times more than stop loss. And we will book our profit here. And it is very important for you to know the reason for booking profit on this position. As you can see here, the candle has already crossed the 70 level once and has gone up. And has come down again, and then it has crossed the 70 level again. Then it is double confirmation that the market will not go above it anymore. The market is below the 100 moving average and has created a negative candle. After that, you can see the indicator below where the indicator has created a negative candle by touching the 50 level. This means it is a very good sell trade. And we will set our stop loss at 50 level. Here we will book our profit, as you can see in the market. The market has formed a positive candle after crossing the 30 level. So I hope you understand how to properly use this indicator. I told you about many situations in this indicator and in this video. Here you look at the main chart. The candle has crossed the 100 moving average and has comes down. After that, you look at the candles of the indicator below, which have come down after crossing the 50 level. So with a small stop loss we will execute our trade here. So here we will book the profit of our trade. Below you can see the indicator which crossed the 30 level, went down and came back above the 30 level by creating a positive candle. Here we will book the profit of our trade. Let's see how to install the indicator on your TradingView chart. First of all, you have to go to the description. After that, you have to copy this whole script together. Click on Pin Editor of TradingView and paste all the scripts together. You can see that the indicator has been successfully added. After that, you have to add 100 moving average. Now our setup is ready. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video.